The power of now. In this video, I am going to present how valuable the present moment. The future depends on what you do today. Mahatma Gandhi. So he is emphasizing the importance of the now moment. The power of now shows you that every second you spend worrying about the past or future is a second lost, because really all you have to live is in the present, that is the now moment. So don't worry about the past or future. Be present in this moment. This is actually a mindful approach towards living in the moment. It gives you actionable strategies to start living every second as it occurs. When we are intensely present in the now moment, we respond from our subconscious mind and flow with rhythm, ease, and joy. So you have to understand past is over, future is yet to come, and the present is the reality, and live in this present moment. The power of now will reveal to one can subdue pain, stress, and anxiety. If you have ever found yourself wondering why you haven't reached the success that you want for yourself, or why your life isn't how you have imagined it, so ask this question and try to analyze your own life and find out the solution. So the answer is, this is actually one of the answer. The problem just might lie in habit of procrastination and putting things off. So this could be the reason why you are unable to progress. And another answer is, when you do the things in the present that you can see, you are shaping the future that you are yet to see. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. So create your own destiny now. So this is the final answer. Create your own destiny. The power of now. How to do? Suppose if you have the habit of procrastination, just to practice step by step so that you can build the habit. Creating motivation and stay motivated throughout your entire journey. One of the biggest issue the current world is facing is distraction. So eliminate distraction, and you should have Arjuna's one-pointed, laser-focused mindset. The another biggest stumbling block is the limiting beliefs. So one has to overcome these limiting beliefs. For example, fear that holding you back for achieving your goals. Practice the power of now. Now. Feel your whole body and feel the energy. So you have to do this. Feel your whole body and feel the energy within yourself. Then feel your hands and feel the energy. Don't judge the situation and accept everything as it is now. So don't bother about anything. Just stay in the present condition and mindset. Take a few conscious breaths with a slow inhalation and exhalation. So your mind should be calm. So watch your own mind thoughts. Don't control your mind, just observe the thoughts. Listen to the silence around you and appreciate. Just be in the status for 10 to 15 minutes and calm your mind and body and be present. Now you think and plan. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.